So first we will make the circle here. This is the circle I have made already. I will make the circle little bit dark. Okay, here we will make some curve line like this. We are going to make some curve lines. Okay, then again we will start some lines from here. Okay, and again we will start from, see, now we will start from here. Okay, now we will start from here. Done. Okay, now we will erase this line. Okay, so from here to here we are going to erase this portion. So see, I have erased this portion. Okay children, so now we will make the eyes here. Okay, we will make oval here. Here also we will make oval. See everyone, 2 ovals I have made here. Okay, next here we will make small oval like this. Okay, then here we will make a small circle for the nose, and then we will make a curved line, and so this is his face. Okay children, and here we can make some spot, and we will make some bubbles here. See, like this. Here also we will make some bubbles, and then some wave line here. We will make some grass here. So now we are going to start the coloring. Okay children, we are going to use a pink color. So dark pink we are going to use for the lines. Okay children, for the lines we are going to use the dark pink color. This is dark pink. Okay children, and inside we are going to use the light pink. Light pink we are going to use. So this is the dark pink color I am using. So I have made the outline, and this part also we will use the pink color here for the lines. Done. So this is light pink we are going to use from one side slowly. We will use dark blue color here. See everyone, see, for the eyes I am using this dark blue, and here also we will use the dark blue color. Black color we can use, but black color is very dark children. Okay, black color is very dark, that's why we are not using the black color. Okay children, so now we will use the red color for the lips. Okay, for lips I am using this red color here. Done. Okay, here also we will make red, so children, and this spot also we will make red. So spots we have done red. So next we will use the dark blue color for bubbles. Okay, Inside we will use the white color. We will not color, we will leave here white, and outlines we will use dark blue. See children, here see like this, and this line we are going to use dark blue. See children, so dark blue I have used. And now here background we will use light blue. Okay, in sleeping direction we will start from one side. See children, we will start from one side. We will start from one side, sleeping direction. Direction change नहीं करना है. See children, from one side slowly slowly step by step. ऐसे ही तुम लोगों को करना होगा. See, step by step from one side you need to do. Step by step from one side like this. Slowly slowly we will do. Everyone see? So like this we are going to do step by step from one side in one direction. एक ही direction में होना चाहिए, direction change नहीं होना चाहिए. See children, step by step, slowly slowly. Okay. So children, see I have completed the light blue color. Okay, from one side step by step you have to do. Okay, and for the grass I have used light green. Okay children, so try to do like this always, slowly slowly, step by step. Every day I am saying that you should do slowly slowly, step by step from one side. Okay children, see here I have used only sleeping direction. Only sleeping direction I have done here. Okay, only sleeping direction. Slowly slowly from one side, step by step. See, step by step you have to go. Okay children, it's very easy. Okay, I know you can do children. Okay children, so ऐसे ही तुम लोगों को प्रैक्टिस करना होगा घर में. Slowly slowly, step by step. Slowly slowly, step by step. Slowly slowly, step by step. Okay children, ठीक है. सो इसको प्रैक्टिस करो और नेक्स्ट क्लास में क्या चाहिए मुझको कमेंट बॉक्स में लिख देना. ओके चिल्ड्रन, एंड सब्सक्राइब द चैनल चिल्ड्रन. ओके, सो बाय बाय चिल्ड्रन, बाय बाय.